how's it going? I thought I would do something fun today, and I wanted to make a decoration for my house based on this plant. I think it's called the Pampas leaf or grass. It's just like an invasive plant growing on the sides of the roads, but I'm gonna cut some down and I'm gonna make it decor and then put it in a vase and put it in my living room. First step that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Pampas and buy some hairspray, and then I'm gonna go and cut down some of these invasive plants from beside my house by a lake, and then I'm gonna come home, strip them down, basically hairspray them, and then hang them upside down. But I will go through the process with you guys so you can follow me and do the exact same thing for your house. I'm taking a look for the ride. So the hairspray that I got is this Tresemme Expert Selection Ultra Brushable Hold. Haven't tried it before, it was the only one on sale, so I thought, why not? Better have some savings. I don't use hairspray in the daily in general, so this will be perfect. Exactly, buy the cheap one. Save your money, people! Also got Pore Filler Primer by NYX and a L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Armor. So glow boosting drops for my face, so I can have some glow ups. So we found a bunch of these plants, or the grass, right up near our house, and there's tons of selection here, so I'm gonna pick the best ones and cut them with my little scissors. Wow guys, this is super gorgeous over here. Look at that. So I got home and we brought those Pampas Grass to our kitchen, so now I'm gonna cut through them one by one and get rid of their ends and make sure that they're kind of similar length, or a length that is that looks really cute in the composition, and then I am going to hang them upside down and spray them with hairspray. So as you guys can see, there's all these little ridges, they go all the way up, and I'm gonna pull apart at each one and then peel them off until I get to the top. Also, before hairspraying these, I placed a garbage bag at the bottom, and now I'm just gonna take the hairspray, shake it up nice, and then I'm just gonna spray it all over these guys. You can also like kind of spread them out the way that you want them, and then you flip it around and do the same thing on the other side. This way everything holds together, and as you guys can see, it's not going anywhere. Alright, so I've arranged some of the plants into this vase. And then I'm just gonna tie them up. And then for these guys, I'm gonna let them dry. Just standing up just like this. And then the rest of them I'm actually gonna hang upside down for 2 weeks like it says online in the closet in a dry cool place. And then we'll see how each one does. I'm also taking some rocks, all kinds of different, like kind of sandy color, and then I'm just gonna rinse them. And then I'm gonna put them at the bottom of the vase so I can kind of stick the pampas in there so they can spread out evenly without having just them like slide around. So I'm just gonna grab the rocks and then put them inside this vase. So I made a huge mess, but I was able to get that guy set up. And then I have 3 other ones, kind of all different lengths, set up as well. I'm gonna hang these upside down in one of the closets. And I got a lot of garbage I gotta take out and clean this mess everywhere because there's dust literally all over the floor. So yeah, I will see you guys in a bit. I decided to put the last 3 batches hanging in my basement downstairs on my little clothes hanger that I bought and I actually never used. But here, it's a good use for it now. So I placed 3 of them, I just duct taped at the top, and then as you guys can see, they're hanging right here, just like so, and I have all kinds of different sizes here for the vases. And then I just placed the garbage bag at the bottom. So these are gonna sit here for 2 weeks. Hey guys, so it's actually been a couple of months since I filmed that last video and I just never got around to posting it, and now I'm editing and I decided why not, it looks really good quality and you know, I'm just doing this for fun. But anyways, the Pampas Grass turned out amazing. You guys will see a huge difference in my house, like the before and after, but I will do a house tour soon, I promise. So this is the final product, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!